Boom, viewers, subscribers. Back again with these quick updates because trust, if it's not forward from King Mix Up, it's not credible. I keep on telling that, but you don't know what the thing said, people. Bless up on yourself on that Friday, but you know my style already. One bag of one in a one, and I gotta give you these daily updates from the people you see and don't see on the screen. That's why it's extremely important to watch to the end so you don't miss a thing. So, with that being said, let's get straight into it. Okay, people, Masicka is the latest Jamaican artist to be signed to Def Jam Records, and his first single is Pisces, even though he's a Sagittarius, featuring newcomer Jassy. The song was released on Friday, February 10th. And now, people, I'm gonna let you know if this is a good thing for Masicka or not. First, let me just give you some stats, you feel what I'm saying, because you know the artist's debut album 438 released December 3rd, 2021. And it was the most streamed album by a male dancehall artist in the US that was released over the past 12-month period, according to the data provided by Billboard Sales. This is the independent project has earned so far 32,600 equivalent album units in the US. This is but the pure sales were 1,200. This is and remember, there was no label backing 438. You see it. So it positioned Masicka to be signed to the major U.S. record company, according to the sources close to the matter. You see, and now, people, first things first. Big up yourself, Masicka. You see, at the end of the day, business are business. But honestly, people, I don't know if this is a good thing for Masicka. You know what I mean? I hope none of these Jamaican artists are signing to the major international label just to get features with rappers. You know what I mean? But if it's for, getting sponsors and, commercials and all of these stuff, them type of extra money, touring and all of them stuff, yeah, go for it. But if we're not signed to the label just to do features with people, it don't make sense. You see me, I say, because we say Cathy, Shenseea, I don't know if Skillibang drop an album yet and Popcorn. The album sales is not good. You know what I mean? But the benefits outweighs that because we know say nobody not really buy music unless you're Drake, Beyonce, or Jay-Z. You see me, I say, and a few others. Them are the only people that sell albums. You see me, I say, but it's still definitely a good look. I don't know how much albums Masicka has to do for Def Jam to complete his contract. I don't know how much advance money he got. But like I said, it's still a good look at the end of the day. Now, Mr. Vibes Cartel posts up, Shooters featuring Masicka, something that's released on Adija Records. So it's gonna be fire. You see me I say, but me don't know if him post this. I don't want to say he's cloud chasing off a Masicka, but free promotion, you can't beat it. You see me I say, cause the last time Masicka and Coricat said that them never need Vibes Cartel. And all of these things for all of them collaboration, them do. In fact, them say a cartel link them. You know what I mean? So I don't know if them cool now. You see me I say, but there I watch and say what I go on from what to go on. I don't know if Masicka is gonna try you do this trap music in America now that he's signed to Def Jam and all of these things. Cause it's a new market, you see me I say, and if there's a new market, there's money to be made. And I'm have the Jews them back him, you see me I say. So I'm thinking if Idonia is going to be signed to international label next too. Cause I see the way Sharon Burke and Bounty I deal with Idonia, yes, I say it look like say he's positioned himself to sign, cause him and Masicka have similar styles. But I'm just giving an update while I go on from that to go on. Masicka signed to Def Jam and thing, putting out a comment section who else is Jamaican that's on the Def Jam label or was on the label. You see me I say, yeah, but anything, let's proceed to the next. Oh, before I forget, congratulations again to Masicka. He just hit 1 million subscribers on YouTube. So that's definitely a good look. Yeah. Okay, people, the streets is buzzing that Shenseea is pregnant with her second child. And London on the track is the baby father to be. Yes, this is after pictures have surfaced on social media. And it's causing the Shenyengs them to, go crazy with joy. Because you don't know the thing said. Our child is a blessing. You see me saying, Shenseea have song saying, I am blessed and all of these things. You see me say. So it's a good look. Because Shenseea not too fucky. You know what I mean? She there with one mansion. She there internationally and things. So, things is looking good. Because, Shenseea is, I don't want to say is London on the track meal ticket. You see me I say. But we know say Shenseea is hot commodity and we know say she is definitely his type. You see me I say, because the people that must say Summer Walker was just a fling, just a little thing that, it got, further than how he wanted to get. You see me I say, because film type already. Him like them Chinese, exotic, you see me I say Spanish this and all of those things. And Shenseea fits the, the picture. You see me I say. Now, this is the picture that's in question. You see me I say, because Shenseea suck in her stomach. And I mean, yeah man, girl, I suck in her stomach because look on it now. Silly belly bump, I bump you on your forehead right now. You see me I say, she couldn't suck in, when you are sucking stomach, you can't suck it in, 24/7. You see me I say, there's going to be time where, you have to, relax. You see me I say, when you relax, your belly bust. So they're saying it's because of this picture that Shenseea is pregnant. And if this rumors is true, and that explains all of the Yamin Shenseea has been doing lately. You see me I say, because if you check girl Instagram page and TikTok page, I be Yamin she do. You see me I say, she all I eat some combination type of things me never see before. You know what I mean? Girl I eat boiled egg and curry sauce and all of these things. You see me I say, that's big in some cultures, but Jamaican people and young blood clad curry and egg. You see me I say. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Anyway, people, put in the comment section what do you think about that. Do you think Shenseea should keep the baby or abort it? You see me I say, do you think she can handle a baby at this time of the game? You feel me? Because, once you have the baby, you have to start perform and all of these things. So, bookings are going to slow up and all of this stuff. You see me I say, but yeah, I'm just giving you an update while going from not to go up on the streets. You see it. So yeah, let's proceed to the next. Now, as usual, people, I see some things in the news that we need to discuss, because the last time I did a review on Donna and Noel, that was a few days ago. I'm letting you know, say, get ready for the passa to begin when this trial starts. You see me I say, because the next court date was in February. And we seen that it passed yesterday. We see the judge is blasting the police for delay in that case. You know what I mean? Because the prosecution, the defense wasn't given proper time to go over what them are bring to court. You know what I mean? It's like them are delay the hell out of this issue. See me I say, and Noel is pissed. You can't believe the man is vexed, people. Oh gosh. Noel is upset that it's delayed once again because, he's trying to get out on bail and trying to get this over because, this is a democracy and he has a right to a speedy trial. This is my say. But it look like, the police them now move fast enough whether he wants this guilty verdict or innocent verdict. You see my say. But all of this delaying, I don't know if it's a tactic the police are used to stress out Noel so him can confess to who killed Donna. Because him say he's innocent. But according to forensics, Donna definitely lost her life at Noel's apartment. You see me I say, some people say he's covering from his baby mother, this, that, and the third. You know what I mean? But all me know, say, boy, if Noel walks free, boy, cartel definitely should walk free too. Because the amount of forensic evidence they gathered at Noel's apartment is more than anything in cartel's case. I don't even think they found a bone. You see me I say, or enough blood to say, you know what, them chop up lizard, fine. You see me I say, as well as, they got witnesses saying that Noel asked him to, get rid of, recordings and all of these stuff. So just giving an update while going from that to go on. The case has been postponed to June of 2023, and once it strikes July 2023, around July 11th, July 12th, it will be 1 year that Donna Lee has been missing. You see, my semi people, and all know the fact that family can't get the body to send her off properly. You know what I mean? The family can't rest in peace alongside Donna, because let's be honest, she's not there no more. You know what I mean? Just like many other missing women and children and men the island, you see me? But cases like this revives everything again, because Jasmine Dean and the rest of them. But I'm not saying an update while go on from another go on. The case has been postponed to this June. So Noel look like saying he might get time served. Is it? Because I don't know them can charge him for first degree murder. You see me? But anyway, let's proceed.
Yo, that nigga not easy, you know. The nigga say, yo, if I unplay me, I go do. Bumbleclad.
Boy, oh boy, big up yourself, Ragging King. Anyway, people, don't forget to comment on the situation with Masicka and Shenseea and them. You see me? Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell also to be notified when we drop the latest in the dancehall news, music, reviews, and gossips. Bless.